What is the shape of the glasses now? They are triangles. What is the shape of the glasses this time? They are stars. Squares, circles, triangles, stars. Which glasses look the best? All of them. The next letter is T.
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 T is for train.
Train.
Who's riding the train? It's a turtle.
Turtle.
Turtle starts with
T.
T. The train stops at the station. The train will stay at the station while we count to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we have another passenger, a tiger. Tiger starts with
T.
T. The train goes through the tunnel.
Tunnel.
Tunnel also starts with
T.
T. Who's been driving the train? That's Taylor. Taylor's the engineer. Taylor got dirt on her face in the tunnel. It's fun to drive the train.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R.
Now, who's holding the cheese? That's Michael. Michael is holding the cheese. The next letter is N.
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 Let's find something that starts with N. This is a newt.
Newt.
Newt starts with
N.
N. By the way, who caught the newt? That's Nicole. She caught the newt. Will she let him go or keep him? She let him go. Good, Nicole. What is this? It's a bird's nest.
Nest.
Nest starts with
N.
N. There are 2 eggs in the nest. One of them is moving. Why is it moving? Wow! A baby bird is coming out of the egg. Oh, the other egg is moving too. Here comes the other baby bird. Hi, baby birds.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
The next letter is O.
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 O is for orange.
Orange.
This is an owl.
Owl.
Owl also starts with
O.
O. with an umbrella. The next letter is V.
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 V is for violin.
Violin.
Who's playing the violin? It's Vanessa. Vanessa's playing the violin. Wow, who are these dancers? They are vegetables.
Vegetables.
Vegetables starts with
V.
V. Wow, they're dancing again. Vegetables are great dancers.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, la, 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 la. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, la, 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 la.
Everywhere, the ladybug is flying, and then she lands on somebody else's nose. That's Lauren! The ladybug landed on Lauren's nose. Bye-bye, ladybug.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
The next letter is M.
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 M is for mouse. This is a maze. Maze also starts with
M.
M. The mouse wants to find some cheese. Let's help the mouse to get the cheese. We have to follow the things that start with M. Which sign should we follow? The squirrel or the mole? Yes, the mole starts with M. Which sign should we follow? The flower or the mushroom? Yes, mushroom starts with M. We're getting closer. We're almost there, Mr. Mouse. Which sign should we follow? The rabbit or the monkey? Yes, monkey starts with M. Go, Mr. Mouse, you're almost there. We made it! No, what is the owl doing? It looks like he's sleeping. Actually, the whole owl family is sleeping. Oh, the orange hit the owl on the head, but it's still sleeping. Oh, another orange hit the baby owl, but it's still sleeping. How come? Will they ever wake up? The sun goes down, and the owls wake up. Now I get it. The owls sleep in the day and wake up at night. Here comes the moon. Look, somebody's face is on the moon. That's Owen. Owen's on the moon. The next letter is P.
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 P is for penguin.
Penguin.
And this is a pig.
Pig.
Pig also starts with
P.
P. Whose house are they visiting? That's Phoebe. Phoebe's going to serve her friends food. The penguin will eat less than the pig. Which plate is for the penguin? Yes, the penguin is eating one slice of pizza. Yummy, 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 yummy. Yum, 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 yum. The pig is eating 2 slices of pizza. Oink, oink, oink. Which plate is for the pig? Remember, the pig eats more. Yes, the pig eats 3 pea pods. And the penguin eats 1 pea pod.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
The next letter is Q.
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 Q is for Queen.
Queen.
The Queen is waving to the people. Long live the Queen! What is the knight holding? It's a quilt.
Quilt.
Quilt starts with
Q.
Q. By the way, who is the knight? That's Quentin! Quentin's wearing the armor. What's the next letter? R.
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 R is for rabbit.
Rabbit.
It's raining now. The rabbit needs to ride out the rain. The rabbit is going to stay until the rain stops. Now the rain is gone. Wow, what is that? It's a rainbow.
Rainbow.
Rainbow starts with
R.
R. Let's see the colors of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Uh-oh, somebody's sitting on the rainbow. Who is it? It's Rachel! Rachel sliding down the rainbow.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
The next letter is S.
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 S is for sun.
Sun.
Sam is wearing the sunglasses for the sun. What is the shape of the glasses? They are squares.
Squares.
Squares starts with S. Now what shape are they? They are circles.
R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
The next letter is U.
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 Who's standing under the tree? It looks like a horse, but it's a unicorn.
Unicorn.
Unicorn starts with
U.
U. What is this? It's a squirrel holding an umbrella.
Umbrella.
Umbrella starts with
U.
U. Who's behind the umbrella this time? It's an elephant. Now who's hiding behind the umbrella? It's Umberto. Umberto's holding the umbrella.
O-P-Q-R-S-T-U, la la la. V-W-X-Y-Z, la la la. A-B-C-D-E-F-G, la 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 la. H-I-J-K-L-M-N, la 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 la. O-P-Q-R-S-T-U, la la la. V-W-X-Y-Z, la la la.
The next letter is W.
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 W is for walrus.
Walrus.
Who is splashing the water? They are whales.
Whales.
Whale starts with
W.